Hello children, today of 7th standard, third poem, Meadow Surprises we are going to teach, and that is written by the poet Louis Brandt Phillips. This is one of the great poems written by Louis Brandt Phillips, and before starting the poem, we are going to introduce some of the new words from the glossary. First word is meadow. Meadow means what? A grassland on which the cattle, sheep, etc. may feed. That is a grassland which animals are going to feed. That is called what? A meadow. And a brook. Brook means what? A small stream. And a drinking straw. Drinking straw means what? Long tube-like part of the mouth of an insect. Insects are going to suck the blood or nectar from other animals or other flower. That is called what? Drinking straw. Next, fusy means water, like a fine soft mass of a hair. Explore here, look carefully at. Buttercup means white plant with yellow flower. That is called what? Buttercup. Dandelion means what? Small white plant with a bright yellow flowers. Flutter, here a moo in the air. Burrow means what? A hole in the ground made by an animal, especially a rabbit, in which it lies or hides. And mound means what? A raised mass of the earth. Nectar, sweet liquid in flowers. Scare, cause a great fear or nervousness. Discover means find unexpectedly. These are the words presented in the glossary. And today we are going to start our third poem, that is Meadow Surprises. Whatever meadow means, already they told, grassland, that is some of the animals are coming to graze. That place is called what? Grassland. And next, surprise. What are the surprises we are going to get? Surprise means what? Any special kind of event or situations we are going to get in the grassland. That is called what? Meadow surprises. Walk across a green field, a park, or even under a clump of trees, you will notice many wonderful things. What are some of the surprises a meadow has for someone with a keen eye and a sharp ears? Walk in a, what happened here? Across a green field. Whatever green field, patchy works of green field will be there. You should walk on that. If you have a good keen observer, if you hear cleanly, then you are going to get the surprises or wonderful facts of that grassland. Here also this poem is about the surprises or wonderful things present in the meadow. See now, meadows have a surprises. You can find them if you look. Walk softly through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. Here what happened here? Meadow has surprises. Already meadow have a surprise. Very wonderful facts it has. You can find them if you look. How you are going to get meadows? I am going to explain. Meadow has surprise, but how you are going to get to see that surprises are wonderful things. When you are going to observe cleanly, that time you are going to see that wonderful fact, what is going to happen on the grassland. If you hear correctly, then you are going to get that wonderful facts we are going to get. And here, walk softly through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. See, whatever small stream sound also we are getting. And what happened? The patchy work of that grass is, we felt that what? Velvet cloth. They have compared that grass to the velvet. You may see butterfly rest on a buttercup. We are going to watch the butterflies also. Rest upon a buttercup. Buttercup means one name of a flower. Buttercup flowers will be there. Butterflies are flying and flying. Again they are going to take rest on the buttercup flower and unfold its drinking straw. What happened? They are unfolding the drinking straws to sip the nectar. Drinking straws means they are using that sting to absorb the nectar from the flower. Butterflies are freely and happily they are playing and flying, and again they are taking a rest on the buttercup and they are sucking the nectar of the flowers. And you may scare a rabbit who is sitting very still, and at first you may not see him. When he hops you will. You may scare a rabbit. Rabbits also we are going to observe on the meadows. Meadows color is green, but rabbit color is white color. Rabbits are hiding from the predators. Predators means what? someone are coming to hunt the animal or rabbit, predators. Understand? They are getting that as a prey and all. They will come to catch. Because of that, it was hiding, and suddenly someone comes means it was starting and running, jumping very fastly. That time we came to know that rabbit will be here in the grassland or meadow. That time we scare about the rabbit. And a dandelion whose fuzzy head was golden days ago and has turned to a airy parachutes that flutter when you blow. Dandelion flowers, you know, they have given in your textbook. In outside in the grassland also we are going to get dandelions and whose fuzzy head. Fuzzy means what it is? Like soft mass of hair it has on the base of the flower. It was in a golden color and it has turned to airy parachutes when you blow. You are taking the flower, just you blow it. Blow means what? Udo. Just you blow it. Then it was started flying over the surrounding. That also one of the miracle happened on the grassland. Explore the meadow houses and burrows in the ground and nest beneath tall grasses and ants amazing on. See now, whatever meadows houses, who had prepared that, who had created meadows houses, some important wonderful facts. Ant hills, that is created by ants. Understand? Some of the birds also keeping a nest on the tall trees and all. These are the called what, and some of the animals like rabbits, snakes, and they are getting a what happen under the ground. They are going to keep their house. That is called what it is, burrow. Understand? Some of the animals also making that house, and some insects also making their house. These are the wonderful houses of meadows. Oh, meadows have surprise and many things to tell. You may discover these yourself if you look and listen well. What happened? Oh, meadows have surprises. Our meadow have a surprises and many things to tell. What are many things are there to tell about the surprises of meadows, and you may discover these yourself. We have to discover ourselves. We should find it. What are the facts happened in the meadows? And if you look and listen well, when we are going to get these wonderful facts or surprises of meadow, when you see carefully, when you listen well, that time we are going to understand the surprises of meadows. This is the what your poem. We have studied about the meadow surprises. These are the surprises happen on the grassland. So you should read this poem and closely. Understand? So keep on your reading. Don't be an idle person in a home. You should be active. And soon school will be start. Understand? Don't think there is no school and all. You start reading and keep on your reading. What are the lessons of poem I am going to teach you. Understand? And next I am going to send you a question and answer. Keep it neatly. You should write it in your CW. For the test also you should prepare. Understand? Okay.